Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drop. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Obiabi spoke to each other about some of the challenges and triumphs in their relationship. On the one hand, they are a united front, with Obi saying she compliments and affirms him often, as well as giving him practical advice on how to attain his dreams. He also says he's recently discovered she's very deep when it comes to her spiritual belief. That said, he still feels it can be a little bit emotional on hang, but she's getting a lot better at controlling the outbursts. Abby did feel, however, that she doesn't get enough credit for her strength and doesn't like that people are always calling her emotional. Obi seconded this, thanking her for being a pillar of strength for him. Privately, he revealed he is ready to take her to meet his mom, while Abby begged Auntie to help her do something romantic and special for his birthday on Sunday. There you have it, guys. Obiabi love still waxing strong. I hope they remain in the house after the eviction on Sunday. So for new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on Ultimate Love.